65 Pontiac, air conditioning check, 40 degrees at the vent, 38, 40, excellent. That's where we want to be, and it's cold in here, boy. Also, wait for the compressor. This compressor does not stay on. What it does, it cycles. It's going to cycle on, it's going to cycle off. It's not the type of, there it goes. It's not going to stay on all the time. That's not how it works. And I got, my high side feels warm to the touch. My low side feels cold to the touch. The low side is, let's see here, get it, 58 degrees. High side is 84. This thing's not working very hard because it's 90 on the high side. That's good. That's temperature, not pressure. There she goes. She kicks in again. Seems to be working really good. Also installed the no pressure regulator. Metal box says to set it to 3. That's where we have it set. And very close to fruition here. Stay tuned.